Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, November the 18th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Let me show you. Two regular puzzles. The 18th. Yes. The Sudoku Medium we have here. I will solve this in a minute. And tomorrow evening I will solve this Sudoku, Samurai Sudoku. Yes, tomorrow evening, two regular puzzles, and we have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only one puzzle page of the Saturday edition. We have here 3 stars. Another 3-star Sudoku, a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and 1 tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudokus. No extra puzzles, no additional for the Sunday. Let me show you. No, for the Sunday, not for the Sunday. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. Yeah, yes, we'll solve the rest of the Friday edition, and also the puzzle page of today. I won't do them all, only 4 of them, 4 out of 6 I will solve. So 2 puzzles are left. Do those tomorrow, but first, yeah, Sudoku practice still continues. Yes, the first one I will do is the Medium Sudoku. Let me zoom this out. Yes, this will be number 7468. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the last column. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there in the middle column. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 and 3. Okay. Then. Well, we need a 4 here, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1, 9, 5. Yeah. 5 need a 5 here, 1 9. Okay, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in a row above, so that row only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the row below, so last row only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next, so in that column only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for them is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then so we need a 2, need a 5. Okay, 1 1 2 2 2. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row. No, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the first row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in the first row, the 1 and the 9 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. And look, we have 1 and 9 in the third column, so no 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah. Okay, we have a 9. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 is 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Alright. 8. Need an 8 here. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the last row. No 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the second row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 6 in this column, 6 in a middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the row below, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, need a 9. Yeah, 9 in this row. No. Need a 4 and the 7 are missing here. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for 4 should be there. Then 2 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. So the row between. Only 2 places left. And 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated 8. So the 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 7, 3, and the 7. No. We have a 7. 7 and 8, 9. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. I'm sorry. 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row, middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Don't think so. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 40 minutes. 30 minutes. So 0 stars. But we solve it again. Oh, apologies. I think I moved the puzzle with my camera. So I hope it's I've recorded all the numbers. Otherwise, apologies. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.